I'm going to show you in this very short Blender tutorial how you can cut in Blender, but it's very interesting. I'm going to show you right now. So if you go in, if you're in object mode, just select your object that you want to cut. I will cut this cup in half. So we are in object mode. Make sure you go to edit mode, and then here, let me expand this. So near here we have bisect. If you hold this, press hold or hold bisect, probably gonna see here knife. So hold and select bisect. Now select everything, press A on your keyboard, and now we can simply cut. And look, and make sure here you have to select clear, clear inner and fill, or just clear. But from here you can do it from here as well. And now look, we have this really awesome cut now. Just select everything and cut, and you can add your cut. So let's try again. Select everything and let's add this cut. If you hold the control, this will snap. All right. You can also cut like this. So you're the top and you will cut like this. And hold control, so this will snap now. So if you want a straight line. So yeah, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more, and also let's also cut this cube as well. Alright, so select and now cut. Hold control. Now we just cut this. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next Blender tutorial. Also, if you have any suggestions for the next Blender tutorial, let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching and take care.